does not reveal its wonders all at once. Some are hidden in ancient craters. Some change shape with tides. Some survive in extreme heat, silence, or altitude. These places were not designed to impress. They exist because nature and time allowed them to. This is India, where Earth experiments freely. Welcome back to Unearth the Earth. In central India lies Lonar Crater Lake, a lake formed not by erosion, but by impact. Scientists confirm this crater was created by a meteor striking basalt rock nearly 50,000 years ago. This makes Lonar one of the few impact craters in the world formed entirely in volcanic basalt. The lake's water is both saline and alkaline, an unusual combination created by trapped minerals and limited drainage. Lonar is a reminder that some landscapes are shaped in seconds and studied for centuries. On India's eastern coast lies Chilika Lake, Asia's largest brackish water lagoon. Chilika is neither fully freshwater nor fully marine. It changes with seasons, tides, and river flow. Sandbars shift. Channels open and close. The lake constantly redraws its own boundaries. This dynamic balance supports rich biodiversity and makes Chilika one of the most adaptive water systems on Earth. In central India's forests are the Bhimbetka rock shelters. These natural rock formations were shaped by erosion, not construction. Over time, weathering created overhangs and caves that provided shelter from heat, rain, and wind. Archaeologists study Bhimbetka to understand how early humans adapted to their environment using natural geology rather than altering it. Here, stone itself became architecture. In western India stretches the Thar Desert, one of the world's most populated deserts. Temperatures rise above 45 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is scarce and unpredictable. Yet ecosystems survive through adaptation, storing moisture, conserving energy, and moving with the climate rather than resisting it. The Thar shows that even extreme environments can support life, if balance is maintained. High in the Himalayas lies Tso Moriri Lake, over 4,500 meters above sea level. This high-altitude saline lake changes color with sunlight, minerals, and seasonal ice melt. At this elevation, oxygen levels are low and temperatures remain cold year-round. Yet migratory birds arrive each summer, drawn to a lake that exists at the edge of habitability. In southern India, water reshapes rock at Jog Falls. During monsoon season, the Sharavarthi River plunges over cliffs, splitting into powerful cascades. Over thousands of years, this falling water has carved stone, widened valleys, and reshaped the landscape below. Jog Falls demonstrates erosion in action, slow, continuous, and unstoppable. Hidden in the Western Ghats lies Silent Valley National Park. This rainforest has remained largely undisturbed for millions of years. Its ecosystem preserves species that evolved in isolation, protected by difficult terrain and dense vegetation. Silent Valley is not untouched because it was unreachable, but because it was left alone. From meteor impacts to tidal lakes, from deserts to rainforests, India holds landscapes shaped by patience, pressure, and balance. These places are not anomalies. They are reminders of how Earth experiments, quietly and continuously. Real places, unreal truths. Welcome to Unearth the Earth.